Okay, folks, more on the introduction of this machine. And really, it comes down to even before what we've just explained and how to use the machine, how to connect the machine, proper electricity, it comes down to water. Now, there's a big debate out there, and certain machines say you can use distilled water. Some machines say you can't use distilled water. Some machines have what they claim to be automatic cleaning boilers, and there's a lot of talk out there. Now, our machine, any chief steamer, we want to use tap water. Now, you might be the type of person that says, well, I'm willing to pay for distilled water, and I'm willing to put distilled water inside my chief steamer to keep it as clean as possible. Well, we really can't have that because of this water sensor. This water sensor goes into the boiler. And what it does is, and again, we've done other videos on this, on maintenance videos. As the water rises, it makes contact with the steel rod in this water sensor, and there's a reaction that takes place that turns the pump on and off. The minerals in the water control that. So if we have all distilled water in the machine, this water sensor is not going to work correctly and the boiler is going to overfill. It's not going to damage the machine. It's just going to overfill the boiler. You're going to have poor steam quality. It's going to shoot water instead of steam, and the pump will never turn off. So we don't want that. We want tap water in the machine. So tap water in the machine basically comes from your faucet. Now, if you live in an area of the country that has extremely hard water and you know it, you can mix it with a little bit of distilled water to soften up the water just a little bit. But we need mineral content in the water, and it's because of this water sensor. So refer to our maintenance videos and you can learn a little bit more about this and what happens to these water sensors when they actually get too dirty as well.